Begin at once to live and count each separate day as a separate life. Welcome, everyone. Today we dive into the profound wisdom of Lucius Annaeus Seneca, a Roman Stoic philosopher whose teachings remain incredibly relevant. Seneca's insights can guide us to a life of purpose, contentment, and resilience. Seneca emphasizes the importance of valuing our time. He writes, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." Time is our most precious resource, yet we often squander it on trivial matters. Seneca encourages us to be mindful of how we spend our time and to focus on what truly matters. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Imagine treating each day as a complete life. How would you spend it? What would you prioritize? By valuing our time, we can lead more fulfilling lives. Seneca teaches us that our mindset shapes our reality. He says, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Our fears and anxieties are often magnified in our minds, causing unnecessary suffering. To combat this, Seneca advises us to focus on the present and not let our fears control us. When we learn to master our thoughts, we gain the power to shape our experiences and find peace amidst chaos. For Seneca, virtue is the foundation of a good life. He writes, "The greatest wealth is a poverty of desires." By cultivating virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, we align ourselves with our highest values and find true contentment. Seneca encourages us to live with integrity, to do what is right, even when it is difficult. In doing so, we build a life of meaning and purpose, one that brings lasting joy and fulfillment. One of Seneca's most powerful teachings is the art of letting go. He reminds us, "He who is brave is free." Letting go of attachments, whether they are material possessions, negative emotions, or past regrets, frees us to live more fully. He who is brave is free. When we practice detachment, we release the burdens that hold us back. We become more resilient and adaptable, able to face life's challenges with grace and courage. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Seneca's wisdom. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living a meaningful life. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to live fully and wisely. See you next time.